I'll do B as well because another student asked for it, and D. But if you can try it without looking at the video, please try it. If you're really struggling, come back to this video, okay? So really same example, tan theta is -4/3. So again, I manipulate the data and write sine theta over cos theta. And then I'm just going to rearrange to sine theta. And then I use my trig identity. So I've just squared that. If you don't really understand what I've done, hopefully you already do. Alright, so if I add 1 and 16/9 together, I get 9/9 plus 16/9. I think it's 25/9. Alright, so I just get rid of the 25/9 first. And then I square root it. So therefore cos theta can be plus or minus square root 9/25, which is 3/5, because they're both perfect squares. Alright, now I've got to figure out which bit's going to be the positive or the minus of it. So let's have a think about the unit circle. Where am I restricted to? Well, I'm restricted to pi/2 to pi. So in my second quadrant, all silly turtles crawl. So only sine is positive. So in that case, my cos answer is going to be negative for this quadrant. So that's what I should know. And then all I have to do is sub it back into this sine equation to figure out my sine. So -4/3, my cos was -3/5. So I get +12. Well, technically these two can cancel, so I might just not bother. So I get 4/5 as my answer, and therefore just double checking my sine answer should have been positive, which is wonderful. Okay, so that is my answer. Let me quickly double check that we got the right answer. So 4/5 minus 3/5. That sounds good to me. Alright, we'll do quickly D as well. Someone else asked, but please again, if you haven't tried it, don't just keep watching. Actually try it yourself first. As if you're just watching, it's not really learning. Only come back if you're stuck somewhere. Okay, once you've really had a go at it. Just doing basic algebra here. So sine theta equals -12/5 cos theta. Again, using my trig identity. The order doesn't matter, that's why I kind of mixed up a bit depending on how I feel. Alright, so cos squared theta plus -12/5 squared. Cos squared theta equals 1. So let me just do some maths here. So we're going to have a base of 25/25 plus, I should have brackets here, so sorry. 25, 12 times 12 is 144. Cos squared theta equals 1. 961. Hopefully that's right. You can just double check that by using a calculator. I might just quickly double check that, just in case. Yep. Alright, so I want to get rid of this. So cos squared theta equals 25/169. So if I square root it, I get cos theta. 5/13 plus or minus. Now we've got to think about which option is the correct option. So let's have a look back at the question. Draw my unit circle. Where was I constricted to? I was constructed to 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi. So that is this fourth quadrant. So all silly turtles crawl. So only my cos isn't positive here, so therefore my cos is positive 5 over 13. And then I sub it back into my sine equation over here to find my sine. Which should be minus 12 over 13. And then I am done. Oh, what's happening here? Oh, not sure. Damn it. What's happening? Hopefully that's the right answer. You guys can check.